Hello everyone, this is Benji from Stockhouse here, back with another live trading video. The last one I think I went over a Moderna trade. Today I'm going to be going over a Netflix trade where I made over $1,000. So go ahead and leave a like and follow if you want to see more of this content. And this is great to be able to help people see how a real trader with a smaller account executes his trades and what all I look for and whatnot. So to get started here, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I was looking at on the Netflix chart. So here I'm going to zoom out here. This is a screenshot of the chart that I have here. Right here at this little red arrow was my entry. So I got in right before the high of this candle right here and sold after we broke 600. So it was a pretty quick play in my opinion, and I mean it paid super nice. So the reason I played the 600 level is you can see way back here we pushed up and we rejected from the 600 area, and then when we finally broke we pushed all the way up to around 613, and then we kind of fell back down and Netflix did its own thing, and then here we pushed up again and rejected from the 600 area again, and then we pushed up again right here and rejected from literally right where this candle rejected. So that made me like this play here on Netflix because we had two rejections right here, and I know that 600 level is a valid number. And also I have a screenshot of the level 2 here. You can see right here, and they were set up at 600 as well here, with about 108 wall right here. So to get into the video here, I'm going to show the live trade of Netflix here. So we pushed up at open here and we ended up pulling back a little bit, and I ended up really liking playing that high it made of the day into that 600 level. But I think I was actually late on this entry here, and I waited until like 599.30, which was like the exact high of that candle that I showed you guys before. So I had a little bit of a late entry on this, but it's all good. I still executed it very well and stuck to my plan. So I was going in kind of heavy here. I'm not even gonna lie. I was red on the day. I think I was red like 200 or 300, and I ended up going in a little bit heavier on this trade. I shouldn't have did that. That was a mistake. I should have just stuck to the same position size I was comfortable with, but it worked out. So you can see it's starting to push back up, and we're about to try to break this daily high here. Let's see, I can speed it up just a little bit. So we're just consolidating. Oh yeah, let me see what that was. So right here, I'm gonna pause it, and you can see right here on times and sales, I don't know if you can see that, but we had a 20,000 buy order right here at 597, or right below 597. So they were buying this up every time it fell back below. So that made me like this trade more because the buyers were stepping in. And like I said, I should have got in on this daily high, but it's all good. So you're going to see 599 come up on level 2, and we're going to break that. And I think I get in when I see 599.30 on the ask. All right, see it's pushing up here. We broke 599, trying to at least. There it goes. See, right here is when I should have entered, but I waited just a second and I got in here. It pushes, and my stop loss was a close under the 598 level. So I was keeping it super tight. Max I was losing on this was 10%, which would be about 500 to 600, I think it was. So we're just kind of stalling out a little bit here. I got a little bit sketchy, but I stuck to my plan here, and that was the biggest part. So you can see in the next couple candles it's about to start pushing, and I get ready to sell with the order entry window here at the bottom of the screen, and I end up setting my price at 750 on the ask and selling, and I get filled right away when it breaks that 600 level. So you can see we're pushing up. I'm green on the trade now. The momentum's kicking in. Boom, and we break right through. So we cracked right through. I hit the sell. Boom, $1,039. So I should have stayed in just a little bit longer here and looked for that 601 break just to get the extra premium flip, but I was very happy with my profits, and I'll just show you guys the rest of this play here as it pushes up. So we pushed to 681. The buyer stayed in control and kept buying it up here. And let's see what it does here on this next candle or two. And there it goes. See, right there is where I should have hit the sell. And I could have got like 760, 770 probably on the sell, but it's all good. So that's it for the live trade. I got about 16% I think on that trade. And that's with a small account. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.